Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today I'll show you how to import your Google contacts in Vagaro. If you've switched to Vagaro from another scheduling system or want to add your contacts from another source, Vagaro can import your customer list from your Google contacts. Let's learn more about how to import your Google contacts through Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Customers and select Import Management. Under Google, select Import. Log in to the Google account you'd like to begin importing your contacts from. Now we'll see all of our clients' information from our import summary. See how many clients we're importing and a legend of valid client information versus invalid client information. Any invalid client information can be edited from this screen using the pencil icon next to the client's information. We can delete any client information we don't want to include in our import using the trash can icon. Once we're satisfied with our client information, at the bottom of the page, select Import. If these clients are customers of a specific service provider, we'll select the employee using the drop-down menu. Send a quick invitation to these clients to invite them over to your Vagaro listing page to book with you on Vagaro. This invite will be sent via email and text. Select Proceed. The import will take place over the next 2 hours. Once the import is finished, see your added clients under Customer List. You've successfully imported your clients using Google Contact List. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.